YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. And you may see this little box peeking out. Yes, this is another unboxing video, and yes, I'm still wearing the same clothes as my last video. But you know what? That's okay. That's okay. It's only just a little bit afterwards, even though you're going to see this a day or two after you see the other video. So this item is from Coach. And it is a result of me doing those shopping vlog videos for you. So I blame you. It's your fault, not my fault. I'm not 100% sure I'm going to keep this bag, but I had to order it because I couldn't quit thinking about it. And I've told you guys, and I don't know if you're listening to me, but you need to. This was packaged really nice. Like, it kind of was rolling around in there, but they did put a big wad of tissue paper in to maybe sort of prevent the rolling. I have my receipt in the nice folder. I'll just set that to the side. So anyway, I have told you that if you go to Fat Coupon before you make a purchase and you put the item in your cart, you can run through their coupons and it'll put them in. And so this is a sale item. I got an extra 10% off of this item because of Fat Coupon. Sometimes you can copy the coupon code and then go through Rakuten and get your cash back and then paste the coupon code in. That didn't work for this. It only worked when I checked out through Fat Coupon. But I have had it work where I could also like double dip and get the cash back from Rakuten as well, or TopCashBack or Be Frugal. I like all of those. I always link those in my videos. So if you aren't signed up, go down to the description box and find the link. Anyhow, Rakuten was offering 10% cash back on this, well, on Coach the day I ordered this. Yesterday it was 15%, which was pretty awesome. But anyway, they were offering 10% the day I ordered this. The coupon got me 10%. So I had a choice to make. Did I want to get 10% in 3 months when Rakuten paid out? Or did I want to get 10% the day I ordered it? And I chose that I wanted to get 10% off right then, because sometimes with Rakuten, they aren't the best with tracking and they'll miss one. And then you have to message them and say, hey, why didn't I get my cash back for Coach? And they'll always give it to you, it seems like. But, you know, it's just an extra step. I'm like, I want my money now, you know? So that's what I did. I did a 10% off coupon and I got 0.4% cash back, which is like barely worth even thinking about. But I already have like $100 I've earned through the Fat Coupon app because they do cash back too. And on your first purchase with any of these brands, usually you get a pretty big percent back. You get like sometimes 10%, 12% cash back for the first $15 you earn, and then it reverts back to 0.4% or 2%. So at least for the first purchase, you can get a nice little amount of cash back. And through those, I've earned about $100. So I'm waiting for the time to elapse, the return window to elapse, so that Fat Coupon will credit me that amount and I'll get $100. Nothing wrong with that. This is, I'm sure you guys are dying because I'm like talking nonstop, but this is a soft tabby and I got it in red orange, and I'm not like 100% sure I need this color and the papaya color, but it was so beautiful. And really, this wasn't like, I mean, it's like pretty much factory wraps. Look at that, but it's not because it doesn't have the plastic on the outside, but it's still got the strap all wrapped up. And it's got the little bits of wrapping on the pieces, like all the pieces. So I'm going to check this out with you guys and we'll see what we can see. And I want to show you something else while I have you on the line here. Okay, so I'm guessing, yes, they wrap the straps together. And there's really no way to try this on or look at it without undoing this little pesky thing that they have attaching the straps to the bag. One thing with Coach though is you see how these pop off. You can kind of re-secure them if you need to later on. So I'm going to kind of carefully unwrap this just with the idea that I'm not 100% sure I'm keeping this item. I really like the Tali bag, but in my wardrobe, I kind of feel like the papaya works maybe better than this. But then when I was holding my phone with the video of myself looking at this bag up to my closet items, I'm like, well, they're really smart. They've started attaching this piece too. These pieces fall off all the time. Just beware. I hang my straps upside down with the little flappy bit hanging like that so that I don't lose these, because they were falling off. Like, I would take them off my bag, go to hang them up, and I'd lose them on the floor of my closet, kick them under something, and then they were gone. So here is the strap that goes with this bag. It is stunning. I love it. At first I was like, pink and orange? What? What are you thinking, Coach? But actually this one works. There's some that I don't like as well as others, but I do like this one. And so I'm going to go ahead and clip it on. I'm going to go grab my other Tali bag because I do want to show you something, because I packed her to use her today. And I'm going to hold this bag up to a couple different colors that I think it will look amazing with in my wardrobe. This is adjusted right now for a shoulder carry. That's not what I want to do. So I'm 5'8", and when I wear this crossbody, I use most of the strap. Okay, I'm wearing a pretty neutral color palette, the clothes I slept in last night still. A gray top and some gray bottoms, but hey, at least it's neutral, so you can kind of experience it. I do think this is a gorgeous color. Let's play with some other colors. Let's see what other colors might look good with this one. Check that out. Bam, that looks nice. Let's try it with, let's say, a navy blue. You guys ever been to Seaside? It's pretty awesome. That looks amazing. Guys, I'm not doing anything good about convincing myself to return this bag. What about a pink shirt? Well, hello. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, what else can we try? I mean, you could always just wear it with a neutral color like gray. I had it on at the store with a gold shirt that was just slightly more gold than this one, but hey, that looks nice. I would probably stay away from patterns. I'm wondering how this would look with, let's say, a rust. That looks pretty good. Actually, I like that. With blue jeans. I mean, I'm not wearing blue jeans. I have blue jeans right here, so then you could really get the effect. What do you think? Let's just try a wild color I don't think it'd look good with. You know what? It even looks good with this color. I was not thinking it would look good with that color, but you know what? It really does. This was a shirt I brought with me. That's a little bit too much for me, but you know, to each their own. Let's try some winter/fall colors. What about something wild like lime green? Wow, that's a fun pop of color. You remember I got these soft jackets from H&M? I didn't think this would look good, but honestly, it doesn't look bad, you know? It might look better with, no, it definitely looks better with the blue version. This clashes, in my opinion. We know it looks good with blue jeans, so of course it's gonna look good with a light blue top with dark jeans. That would be a good option. I'm just curious about lavender. I don't think it will work, but let's give it a shot. I mean, it's pretty. I don't think it's bad. I've had very few things in this clothing try-on experiment that we're doing that I think looked bad. I mean, of course, you could always do like an ivory top. Like, that's super cute. I mean, look at that. Pair that with some jeans. Look at that. Bam, you're ready to go. Let me give you a quick spin of this bag. I've decided I'm going to keep her. She's a keeper. And I didn't even try around with the other strap. But honestly, the grommeted strap is gorgeous. And I'm glad I have it, because someday these webbed straps, they're not going to be in style anymore. And the bag is still going to work for you if it has the right kind of strap. And that grommeted strap is gorgeous. The grommeted strap is gorgeous. I love straps that have the golden detail around the holes. It'll keep the hole looking nicer over time. And I guess I should look at this and make sure it's okay, but it's okay. This little end is a little bit sloppy in my opinion, but it's fine. Let me show you the inside of the bag. This bag is in a honey colored microfiber, and it's got the little Coach care card right there. Or maybe that's the part about reloved. I don't know. I'm not reloving this yet. I'm just loving it, you know? So the Tali is an open pit, and I was trying to figure out how to put my stuff in it today because I'm using it today. So this is the one I'm using because this is the one I already had. And let me tell you, it has a little bit of weight to it. I mean, I've got my stuff in it right now. When I put it on, I can feel the weight. I can feel the weight on my hand. The leather is thick on this bag. So if you want a super lightweight bag, it may not be right for you. But I like the style. I'm going to probably stick with these two until another one goes on sale. I might think about adding maybe the black or the canyon color is really tempting, but I'm afraid the canyon's too close to this. But then I look at it and I like how the strap, I'll have to insert a picture of it right here. So for the canyon, I like how the strap is like brown and I just think it would be so pretty in the fall. Let me insert a picture of the black right here. And so I think that the black would be amazing to have because it's got the black leather bits. So it would go with all of my black bags, including one that I should be unboxing tomorrow. Like I need another bag, right? Like a hole in my head. You guys need to buy my Willis 18 that I have for sale so I feel better about all these purchases. So look in here. Oh my freaking goodness. Do you see that? How freaking perfect that organizer is for the bag. This fits as good as this does in my Neo Alma BB by Louis Vuitton. It's designed for that bag, but it fits this bag every bit as well. And so as I was putting items into this bag, I felt like my card holders were sort of like getting too wide and it was too jumbled. So what I did is I put my cards in here in these two slots, which is what I like to do if I have a bag that's not laying properly. Then I've got my pouch that has all of my things I need, like nail files and nail glue and oh, what else is in there? Hand sanitizer in there. I've showed you guys before. I carry a lot of stuff. And then my other things I've got in here, I've got my AirPods case, some cash, all of it's falling out, a Tide to Go stick, my key fob. I've got all that in here. So I'm really just carrying those two, plus my little pouch with my medication in it. And then I'm using the pocket that goes with the bag for my vaccine cards and my trust card and stuff. So it's just super organized in there. And I think that there might even be room on top for a Diet Dr. Pepper, which is what I'm counting on because I'm going to watch sports today and I want to have a spare Diet Dr. Pepper in my bag. And I think there's room for it because of this lovely organizer allowing me to eliminate some card cases. So this is from SUNY Bag & Bag. I know they don't like me to recommend their products for Coach bags, but this fits amazing. I also messaged another seller in the US through Etsy that has an organizer for the regular Alma BB. And when you look at the measurements for the Alma BBs, the regular one measures just slightly less wide than the Neo one. So the organizer may be slightly smaller, but I think that that would be okay if it didn't go quite all the way to the edge. So I may give them a try. I also messaged SUNY Bag & Bag again just to see if they would be interested in having me talk about this. Well, I guess I'm talking about it anyway, but I just let them know that I would be talking about this and just curious if they'll reply back to me. I don't think they will, but you never know. They may decide that, hey, there's some money in this organizer business for bags that are for regular people. You know, not everybody wants a $2,000 handbag. So maybe some organizers for bags that are for more regular people would be better. You know, I mean, I don't know. I understand that maybe these don't stand the test of time as long as like an Alma BB, but they're very popular. And a lot of Coach bags do stand the test of time. Like the Cassie just came back on the Nordstrom anniversary sale. So, you know, making an organizer for a bag that it has been around for a while, like perhaps the Rogue 25 or the Cassie 19 is back now, or I don't know. I mean, there are just several bags that I think that you could pick from contemporary brands like Tory Burch with Akira that you could make an organizer for, and it wouldn't really be too hard to do. So hopefully we can convince some of these organizer companies to do that. And until then, we will just make do with what we can. So this is my bag of the day. If you enjoy content like this, please give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring my notification bell so you are notified of exciting new content such as this. Also, if you want to keep in touch, you can DM me on Instagram. My name there's the same. You can just search the @ symbol, then the Handbag Housewife. And you may also, I'm also saying also a lot. You can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. Thanks so much for your time, and I will see you again real soon. Bye.